So today for lunch I made some ramen. So I added in all the sauces into one pan and just let it boil. While that was cooking, I made some dumplings. So the dumplings were filled with mushrooms, and I also made some cocktail sausages. Once the dumplings were steamed, I just fried them to make them a little bit crispy. And then I added an egg on top of the noodles. The noodles were very nice, but they were very spicy. It had a kimchi flavour to the soup of the noodles. And the dumplings are really nice. They were a little bit crispy. It went well with the sauce. And the cocktail sausages just add that smoky flavour. So all of these go really well together. For dessert, I had a Cadbury caramel cake. This cake had so many layers inside. It looked really nice, and there was lots of chocolate on top as well. So you can see the caramel layers inside. The caramel cream was so nice. And for dinner, I had some naan bread with some chicken curry that was left over, and the naan bread was like a garlic and herb naan bread. After that I went to play some mini golf. This was a neon jungle theme, so it was all filled with glow in the dark paints and different types of displays that glow in the dark. It was really nice. Everything was just lit up. It was quite dark in there, and it had different areas to play each stage of golf, and each part was more difficult than the other. There is different rooms that have different themes, but we opted for the jungle theme. It's like a rainforest. Even the stairs were glowing.